What's good with y'all boys? You feel me saying? What's good, chat? Alright, but I'm saying though, alright, today, man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Car giving me problems already, bro. It's not no major problem. It's something light, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all right now, you feel me? Shit, bro. Off the rip yesterday, yo, for everybody that tuned to my stream yesterday, y'all know my seat is not working. So with that being said, look, the seat is rolled back to the fucking capacity. Like, it won't even go up. See to go forward, see to go back, but it'll go back, but it don't go up. Go up, down, left, right. Feel me? So with that being said, I had to buy a whole nother seat, bro. Like, I went on Facebook Market. Well, this whole build, chat, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This whole build is gonna be straight, what's the name? Facebook Market. Everything I'm getting on Facebook Market. So I'm gonna get a whole new grill, new headlights off a G37, do a whole G37 conversion. But I had to buy a whole new seat yesterday, bro. This seat is a little, I don't know why it's leaning and shit, but the seat is good. I already tried it out yesterday. Everybody on the stream knows. You feel what I'm saying? I was there. Y'all seen it. And then y'all was telling me like I should start closing my mouth when I chew, nigga. That's how I eat, nigga. There's nothing I could do. And man, bro. So this is the first problem on the G, bro. I can't even do no modifications, bro. I gotta fix something on the G, and I gotta get new brakes. So like I ordered the brakes already, you feel what I'm saying? And they should be coming like Monday. So we gonna put them bitches on. And then I don't know what mod I wanna do first. I don't know if I wanna do wheels or suspension. I think I'm gonna do wheels and suspension at the same time. But yeah, man, the channel's doing great already, bro. Like, I'm happy, bro. I'm officially a VQ owner. Nah, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. This actually had pissed me off, bro. Like, on some real shit. Like, I only had the car probably like a week. Probably not even a week yet. And one thing is already going bad. One thing. I tried to go under the bottom, remove the harness. You feel what I'm saying? Put it back in, see if that worked. Didn't work. I removed the motor that like makes the seat recline and back like this. Removed it, plugged it back in, didn't work. So like it's probably like a bad motor or something. I don't know, bro. And then when I tried that seat yesterday, you feel me, in the other car, it goes back and forth, you feel me, and it's already in the up position, so the motors on that is not broke. So I'm gonna just take this seat and then probably just like sell it on Facebook Market to somebody. I don't know, because I'm not gonna need it. Fuck am I gonna do? And I think the seat is the same, you feel me? Hold on, y'all see this seat? Nah, the seat's not the same. That shit is leather. That is full leather. Let me see. This is, nah, that's leather too. That seat just look, I don't know, it look different. So I might just clean the seat off. Feel me? It got some like rust stains and shit on the bottom. And then like, this came out of G35X. Feel me? But this seat is good. The seat good. The seat is good. So let me see how the other seat look. It should be good. I'm not even gonna have these seats for long though, chat. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm about to get bucket seats in the front. I'm gonna get some purple bucket seats. Oh, I didn't even see this on the side. I didn't even know my seat was coming like this on the side. What the fuck? Holy shit, that shit's... What is this? What is this right here? Let's see. I got all my tools and shit. I had to bring it with me yesterday. What is this? Yo, anybody got a G35? What is this, bro? Oh, that thing brings that thing inside and out for your back. All my niggas that be dick riding a lot, you know they gotta have that thing in the back for them. But I already kind of like took the screws and shit out the back of it, and then like it's just gonna go straight in. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna do this on stream, and then like I'm gonna probably like add parts and shit from the stream into this. Yo, y'all let me know if I should spray paint my grill. I'm gonna get a new grill, but like y'all let me know if I should spray paint the bitch. I don't know yet, but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and spark my stream and like get this all cleaned up, get the seat put in, and I'm gonna show y'all, like, I'm gonna have my little video of me putting the seat in, little montage of me putting it in from off the stream, and then we're gonna get it done. What is that? Let me get this. Yo, stop rubbing that fucking car, bro. Oh my God, what happened? Let's not cut a cord, because I will be fucked. See this out.
Let's say you're struggling with pen to paper on an upcoming essay. You might have an outline already and know what you want to write, but are struggling to find the right words to get it going. Don't worry. Tip number 1. Pick the right tone. Read your essay's first paragraph aloud and listen to it slow.
Let's not have another repeat of yesterday, bro.
Maybe you'll want to start at the very end of your essay. Tip number 3. Polish your essays until they shine. Got an essay draft? Awesome. But don't hit submit.
Fuck out of the car.
Make sure your students are doing the best work and using Grammarly to catch misspelled words, grammatical mistakes, and places where you can swap in different words to improve your writing's clarity.
Let Grammarly help you with your essay. Download for free at Grammarly.com.
Now look at this seat, bro.
Grammarly.
Look at this shit. And y'all niggas, like, the seat is broke. I might as well clean this out, chat, right or wrong. Look how dirty that shit is, bro. Get in there, look. Ew. Fuck that shit.
I'll buy it. Yeah.
Alright, chat. We're gonna put the seat in this way.
Niggas not buying that.
Oh my God. My hand. I'm gonna turn it. Get in the car, bro.
My shit just got washed. My shit looking right. You gotta do it like how you took it out.
Nigga, I don't remember how I took it out.
Not like that.
I'm gonna turn this out. Wait. This way.
Check DMs. Alright, bro.
And. Oh no.
Let me go on the other side. Nigga's so dumb. Why's the seat wet?
The seat's wet?
Wet as hell.
Who left this open ass bottle? Elijah?
What do you mean? I was. That was dead me.
Nigga leaving open fucking containers and shit.
Yo.
Oh, I was supposed to connect the seat first, see if it worked. Like
It
dumbass.
works. We already tested it, remember?
No, I gotta plug it in down here.
Bought the
yellow.
wrong seat.
Wait, yellow goes in yellow. Right? This goes here. This one goes here. And this one goes here. Alright, let's see.
Pretty doesn't work.
The battery's not plugged in. Duh! The fucking battery's not plugged in. Dumbass nigga. I'm sitting, yo, chat, I ain't gonna lie, I was about to cry. I think was about to cry, gang. I was about to cry, bro. Oh my God. I'm about to be like, I'm about to go fuck this poppy nigga up. I was about to go fuck that poppy nigga up, gang.
Poppy.
Oh, slide right here real quick so they can see, like, feel me?
Poppy.
With that being said, chat, as you can see, remove this. Put that back on. And let's see this seat work. Okay. As you can see, This fucking seat motor is broke. The seat motor is broke. I'm really a mechanic. Eat my dick. Anybody that say I'm not a fucking mechanic, you can eat my dick. You can eat my dick, nigga. I need to work at a shop. I really know what I be doing, bro. I really know what I be doing.
Now let's
Look.
see him connect a positive terminal back.
Look. I'm him. Chat, I can't lie, I'm him. Chat, I can't lie, I'm him. Alright, y'all, you feel what I'm saying? Look, hey, yo, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I done did everything on Twitch, you feel what I'm saying? So, like, I'm gonna try to, like, introvert the stream clips into the YouTube video, but I'm about to, like, really show y'all what I got going on. Alright, so, this is the old seat. We already got the old seat out, you feel me? Like, the old seat all fucked up. Like, the motor is broke, and it's, like, in the reclined, like, state. You feel what I'm saying? It don't work. Now, the new seat is already in, like, damn. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, hold on. Let me show y'all, bro. We got that, you feel what I'm saying? That bitch reclined up. You feel me? Reclined down. Forward. Back. So, the seat is brand new. Like, I feel like we all brand new and shit. You feel me? Yeah. Stop playing me. W Mechanic. Look, Alright, you feel what I'm saying? Anything that's done on this car is getting bought from Facebook Market, bro. Everything. Wheels. Cool. Now, I don't think cool air intake. We're going to have to find one on that motherfucker. We're going to try to get the coilover. Now, I don't think we can get coilovers from off of YouTube. Off Facebook Market because, like, them niggas probably, like, crashed their car. Coilovers all bent and shit. Like, feel me? It's going to be crazy. But, alright, we done, though. You feel what I'm saying? Like, now we about to go get this car washed. You feel me? Like, that's really it. The homie done pulled up with a Tesla. I'm about to show y'all the homie Tesla. Look at the homie Tesla, yo. Oh, nigga skirting. All right, but look at the homie Tesla, you feel me? We got a little car meet going on right now, you feel me? All right.